Babies, you get married first. And then, after a few weeks, the doctors take it out. And when the doctors take it out, then the doctors take it out, and then the mom takes care of the baby.
How does a baby get in the belly?
Get out?
No, get in.
God. I said that already.
Oh, sorry.
I bet you didn't hear me. Okay, and then that's it.